Okay. So we developed a lot of pages, right? We developed a lot of pages. I cannot call this page every time in all the test cases. Instead of that, what you can do, you can import. That's one thing. And another thing is the easiest way is even you can use that page. You can mention all these pages. For example, pages are keep growing and you want all the pages, you cannot keep no importing them. All the imports will increase. So how can you organize this? So there is one more uh, manager class will call. Okay, pages manager class will create one more. In that we'll mention all these classes and then we'll so call in the respective test case. So that's going to be very easy. So let's see that how to, let's create a POManager.js file. So let's create a one more file, new file, POManager.js. So what it will do, it is going to have all your pages here. So you import all of them here and then you can easily create a getter methods for all this and you can call the getter methods by this class. So how to do that we'll see one by one. Okay, let's create a first class. Okay, so the class is class POManager. So every class you need to export. Okay, the modules, so we know, right, all this how to export this class to use in another places. You need this
Yeah,
module
module
dot
exports is equal to
exports.
the
See,
class.
you will get exports equal to and give that in the curly bracket the class name. See, that is the one. So this is mandatorily you have to do after every thing. So next, so in this inside you have to create a constructor. So create a constructor. See, constructor automatically you are getting. For this constructor you have to pass the page as a promise. Page you have to pass for this constructor. So this dot page equal to page. So we want a page and then so I'm going to call all these pages one by one: login page, payment page, product page, and contacts page, confirmation page, checkout page, and cart page. So all these pages and I'll call here and then I'll create object here itself. So let's see that how to do that. This dot I'm giving login page, so equal to new login page. So for that we need to pass this dot page, right? So page your in the constructor is going to login page, constructor is going to accept. So new login page. So that's the object you have to create for the class. So we will import this. We have to import, otherwise it will throw an error. So how to import? So whatever the name you are going to give here, that name you need to use here in this place. So I'm going to use const. So you give the const and the name I'm giving login page. Okay, so that you are giving equal to require, you are importing, import. So require and you give that page where this page is there in the same, right, same. So you just need to give in single quotes dot slash. See, automatically it is showing all the pages. Just call that. Okay, just call that. This is the one. So like this. So whatever the variable, this name you have to use in this object creation. Okay, that is the one. Same you do for other pages also. Whatever other pages we have, let's quickly create other pages. So one by one we'll create. So this dot contact us form, right? Or what is this? This dot equal to
C
new. Hmm?
C capital.
No, I am not giving C capital there. So that I want to give a lowercase only there. So here whatever I am going to declare, here I am going to give contact us. Okay, so here I am going to give require. So the left side one, whatever is, that is my variable name. I can give anything. Okay. So it's not the class name what we are going to use. This one. Next. So same name you have to use to create object here. This dot base. Next. So confirmation page. So this dot we have to create all the objects. Confirmation is equal to new. So I'm going to do that. Const require confirmation page. Okay. Then so you create object for this. P capital. Next. Another one. So product space. This dot product space equal to new product space. This dot base. Basically all the pages we have to create. Products is done. Payment page is pending, right? Let's do payment page. Const payment page. require. So we have to create, so single quotes dot payment page. Next, so create that also here. This dot payment is equal to new payment is this dot is. Okay. So next, so products page, payment page, login page, contact page, confirmation page. That also done, right? Checkout page. Const checkout page. Require checkout page. So this dot checkout is equal to new checkout page and this dot. Next, what is the last one? Cart page. Cart page require cart page. Then last one, right? This dot cart page equal to new cart page. So anywhere this is the common, and it's a similar approach. So if you are, but this class is, so some companies will follow, some companies won't follow, but this process is creating a page classes are common. Maybe you can import wherever you are using this class, like this, import, and that import you give some name for that this object. So that is mandatory. Now, so this dot page. Okay. So anything else? All the pages are done, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Done. We are good. Now we need to, how to call them. So how to call this, all this, right? We need to call them, right? To call them, we are just developing a function. Suppose all the get login page. That's it. So this method will take care of return, and so write this dot login page. You don't need to again create object there. So one place we are going just creating object. Same you do, get other methods. Get contact us page, right? contact us form page, and we can just return this dot contact us form page. Same way, create others, and then we are good. Get confirmation page. Return this dot confirmation page. Next, get product space. Return this dot product space. Get payment page. So return this dot payment page. Get cart page. Oh, checkout. Get checkout page. Return this dot checkout page. Get cart page. Next batch we'll do TypeScript. Okay, so you will get exposure with the JavaScript and TypeScript, so it will be easy for you. But here in the parameters, you are not giving a type, right? There you will give a type like a Java, right? So that's the only difference. Otherwise, same as a JavaScript. So this is the advanced version of JavaScript, TypeScript. Many people use TypeScript only. That's why we need to keep on exploring and multiple things we need to keep. These things, if you keep in your plate, Java Selenium one is enough. Then Playwright, Cypress, JMeter, and JMeter for performance testing purpose, or K6 tool. One time I will show you K6 tool also. So you can just any one of them if you have some idea, and you're good. So, and mobile is additional advantage for you if you know, but not mandatory. But that is another very hot cake in the market also, because people won't get for the mobile testing. If you want to get a quicker job, if you are strong in the mobile testing automation, like Appium tool or Espresso, all that. So Appium tool is enough. If you're good with the Appium tool, and they will take you. So even less experience also works out, because I see even my friend company, they're not getting mobile testing. Remaining thing they are getting, but mobile testing they are not getting the people. and they are training developers. So that's another problem there. Okay. Yeah. So all are done. We're good. Now we can, everything is ready, right? Yes. Now pages are done. Now we need to see this test cases, right? We'll see test cases. Before test cases, I want to explain one more concept. So data, did we include any data? We didn't include data also. So playwright config file also we didn't configure all of them, even which browser you want to run. We didn't. Oh yeah, I think we configured, right? Oh, we completed that. Good. We have done that. Then we are good. So base URL you need to. So that also you need to specify. Either you can specify here itself the base URL on the top, or so say this is the base URL. You can give here also your base URL. So that's another thing we need to specify. If you specify here, you can call all the places. So that's the one thing we can see that how to specify these URLs, and then where you can call them, and we can see one by one. And also I want to show you, okay, if you want to run in different environments, so how can we configure that? So this is also another very important. So we will see how to run in different environments, like you have a different URLs, right? So how can we call them? That's all you need to first set up. One file you store all your environment variables, and then you can call wherever you want, right? That way I want to show you that. So how to call this using based on the different environments. And also we want to see test data. First let's finish that as small things quickly, and we can come back. So we want first login data we'll specify, and then we can come back. So in the another place we have a this data, right? Here you have, what is this, automation practice, right? Yeah, so this one. So you have a contact us POM data also you need to give. So this data also you can store in one file, and then login, so data one. So these are the two, and also you can any order data you want to give, and multiple products if you want to buy, that also you can specify one, and order details you can give. Any files you want to upload, you can upload that files also, and that's enough for us. And in the utils class, utils package will mention all the URLs, base URLs, and everything. Will specify them, okay? And then we'll export this class, environments class, and you can use anywhere. So the base URL, if you specify one place, you can mention anywhere. Let's join back, and then we'll specify the data first. So what data we want, all the data we'll mention, data files will create. Then we'll go for the test cases also. Yeah. It is ending in 1 minute, and I want to close and